Healthy cows are the foundation of every successful dairy farm. When cows are happy and well cared for, they produce higher quality milk, live longer, and contribute to a more sustainable farming environment. But what does it take to ensure cow health and well-being? It's not just about feeding them. It's about creating a holistic system that prioritizes nutrition, comfort, preventive care, and environmental sustainability. Let's dive into the essential elements of a comprehensive roadmap to healthier, happier cows, inspired by expert insights and best practices. Proper nutrition is the cornerstone of cow health. A well-balanced diet ensures optimal growth, strengthens immunity, and enhances milk production. Key nutritional components include high-quality forage like hay, silage, and fresh pasture, which are crucial. These fiber-rich feeds promote healthy digestion and maintain a well-functioning rumen. Adding energy-dense grains such as corn and barley balances the cow's energy needs, especially for high-producing dairy cows. Providing essential minerals, vitamins, and additives like calcium and phosphorus strengthens bones, supports reproductive health, and ensures overall vitality. Regularly analyzing feed quality and adjusting rations according to the cow's production stages is a game changer for maintaining long-term health. Just like humans, cows thrive in clean, comfortable environments that reduce stress and promote natural behavior. Key elements include well-ventilated barns, soft bedding, and ample space, which reduce injuries and improve rest. Cows need at least 12 hours of rest daily for optimal health and milk production. Access to fresh water at all times is crucial, along with regular cleaning of stalls and feeding areas to prevent disease. Allowing cows to graze outdoors provides mental stimulation and physical exercise, further enhancing their well-being. Using fans or sprinklers during hot weather reduces heat stress, keeping cows cool and content. Healthy cows are the result of vigilant health management. Early detection of illnesses and regular veterinary care ensure longevity and productivity. Regular veterinary visits help monitor body condition, udder health, and overall wellness. Following a strict vaccination schedule prevents contagious diseases. Implementing biosecurity measures like limiting visitor access further protects the herd. Using technology like rumination monitors and automated health tracking helps identify potential health issues before they become severe. Sustainable practices not only improve cow health, but also reduce the farm's environmental footprint. Dairy farmers can adopt climate-smart strategies to ensure long-term sustainability. Implementing proper manure handling techniques reduces methane emissions and improves soil health. Innovative feed additives, such as 3-nitrooxypropanol, can significantly cut down methane emissions from cows. Using solar panels or biogas digesters reduces reliance on fossil fuels, creating a more eco-friendly farm. Planting trees around barns improves air quality and provides natural cooling, creating a healthier environment for cows. The road to healthier cows isn't paved overnight. It requires dedication, consistency, and a deep understanding of the intricate balance between nutrition, comfort, health management, and environmental care. When cows are cared for properly, they reward dairy farmers with better milk yields, longer lifespans, and a more sustainable dairy system. The future of dairy farming lies in embracing practices that prioritize both animal welfare and environmental sustainability. By adopting this holistic roadmap, dairy farmers aren't just investing in their herds, they're shaping the future of dairy farming, one healthy cow at a time.